100 days of video challenge. So today I thought of doing Frontend Mentor challenge, which I have done for a long time. This Frontend Mentor challenges. So one will do another one, and regarding Angular, I will again start. Angular it is not yet complete. So Angular maybe tomorrow, but till now this thing. So let's get started with the Frontend Mentor challenge. So let me share my screen. Yeah, so as you can see in my screen, we are going to do this challenge today. Insure landing page. Okay, this one. Insure landing page. So it is a bit of tough challenge because it's a junior level challenge and that newbie challenges are easy, but these junior level challenges are not that easy. Okay, and we are going to do this now. So this is like this, active states, mobile, a bit of JavaScript is there, but not that much. But this is a very cool website. If you create this website for a client, you can easily charge any bit of money. Because this is such a good website. After creating this, I found out this is totally a professional level of design. So the junior challenges are very good in front end mentor. Means they have a complete site. So let's not waste time. Let me do this. Widget challenge. Download the starter. Okay. And let me cut it from here. The YouTube right here. Start here. Here. Yeah, is there Insure landing page master? Let me make the name a bit smaller. Okay. Insure, not unsure, it means what is the spelling? Yeah, it is Insure landing, yeah, Insure landing. Yeah, so close it, open it with the code. We don't want this. Let me open it, close it, and this is what we have. Okay, let me do one more thing. Insure landing images. Okay, images. They have a lot of images. So design I will open. Anyone means I think this one is good. Yeah. So this is what we have to create. All these things. These nice patterns are also there. So this is a very cool project which I enjoyed making. Okay. And then as usual they have this index.html is there, everything will be there, and I will go live with this, and this is what is being shown. Okay, all text, nothing else. Okay, and style guide we will open because a lot of styles are there, and this icons also they have provided. Okay, so that is there, index.html is there. So let us remove some of the things from here, and what we are going to remove, this I don't like this comment, so let me remove it. Sure, landing page is okay, attribution is okay, we can remove it. Then I'll come down, and this attribution also I will remove it. Okay, and then I'll come up and link css style.css script rc. Let's give the script at the top only. So main.js. So generally we give script at the end. Means here we generally give. But there is another way. You can give it at the start also, and there is a thing known as differ. You all can learn about it. Differ means it will differ till the whole the page is loaded. So we can give this differ word and it will be done. So like this. Let me make it quickly style.css, or as I'll forget main style.css, main.js, not much work is there. So this is the index is there. So the main thing in all these challenges, all these fundamental challenges are that we have to create a structure, and this is for front-end mentor also, and this is for production course also. Because I have worked for in the industry for 16 years, so I know that you get this designs from your designers. Okay, so you get designs from the designer which you have to convert it. Okay, so let us convert this, make it a bit. Okay, so such nice thing is we have to make. So first we have to give the HTML a structure. So let us give that. So let's wrap everything in a container as always, but let make it's a bit semantic also. So before the container, we will make everything means nav section and all those things we will make. Okay. So first thing which we are going to do is a nav, I'm going to do, and inside the nav there is dot container is there. So different parts we are going to make. So nav I have made. Okay, so dot max class inside that, and then so we are first creating the nav bar. Okay, the nav bar we are creating this nav bar, we are creating this nav insure nav bar we are going to create first. So this flex is there, and dot img dash wrapper and img dot images. There is a logo image is there, so we'll use that logo dot svg. Alt we can make it as logo, and it's always better to give this because when we do React coding or Angular coding, React coding mainly it is required. Okay, save it. Let me see how it's done. So insure logo is there. So this logo also they have given us this insure logo. Okay, that is also they have given us. So insure logo I have done, and then after this div, I have to make the buttons. Okay, this hamburger menu and all. So this menu and all I have to make. But and in the mobile view there is a hamburger also is there. Okay, so if you want to see the mobile view, which one is there? Mobile view, yeah. See some hamburger or something is there. So this thing is there. Hamburger is there. So that is let us create that, and that is button dot hamburger hash hamburger. So this is I'm using, I'm a shortcut, nothing else. Hamburger and hash hamburger. Okay, button is there. img dot open. That open class we are going to make, an src is images icon hamburger dot svg, and alt I will give icon hamburger. Okay, similar to this hamburger close icon is also there, so we will do that. img dot close. So these are for the mobile view, and we got close src images icon close dot svg, and this I can give icon close, alt can be anything. Okay, so this is done, and I will get this hamburger already, but I will soon remove it, means not in the normal way we are going to see them. Okay, so now we are going to do the menu whatever is there in the menu. So see this menu thing we are going to do. Okay. So after this button, there will be an ordered list hash menu. Okay. Let me think whether I remember this thing or not. Ally into 4. It will create 4 allies. But if I want something A inside it, then will it do? Let's check. Yeah, it's perfect. I want it like this only. Okay. Hash how we work. Again a hash log hash count and and one view plans is also there. Okay, and it is of reverse. It is of reverse. You can see it is reverse of whatever it is. So this hash will give this will give hash, but and this will be containing view plans, but let us give it a class equal to btn and btn reverse. Okay, like this and save it. So how we work block and this all are done. Okay, so let me save it and see this all are done. You plans and then app. Let me see how it is looking. Okay, so it is looking like this. Much better than what we have earlier. Now we put the structure for the header. So header is nothing but this thing. Okay, let me close the mobile. Header is nothing but this thing, and then this you can say section. Okay, so we are going to do that, and again we are using semantic tags header. Okay, header I have given, and then again we will be having this container dot container dot flex. So these common classes we are giving, so that these common classes when we do, all of them will be done at once. Align, and then one is align start. So again a flexbox class we are going to give instead of this. Okay, the reverse mobile. So mobile the style is a bit different. Okay, like this. I know why it is not coming. Dot flex dot align start dot reverse mobile. Okay, div again another div is there, and then I will have this h1 dot line top. Okay, and this one will contain humanizing your insurance. This thing humanizing your insurance. This one, right? Humanizing your insurance. And after that we'll have this P, and P will be like this. P will be this thing. So they have given us all this thing that is called cool law. So this some problem is coming. So let me save it. So after that we have a button also, view plans. So that we have to give. So after this paragraph we have a button or view plans. Okay. View plans is there. Then after that This image is this big family image is there. So this image we have to make, okay, and take, okay. After this, div, this again a div is there. So we're giving these divs because see what happens. See, one div is here and one div is here. Because we are going to give a flex box there. So what will happen? This will become the two children. Okay, that's why we're giving the div. ing src dot images image intro desktop and all this intro intro and class equal to intro image intro image into image not intro image intro image. Okay, save it. Okay, so now let me check. Yeah, this time got good. Okay, okay. Now we have to create the structure for the first event. First one means this one, we are different and all these things. We have to do that for that. So for that, as usual, we will use a section tag. Section, and the section will also have the class equal to container. Container. Okay, that's all done. Okay, section h2 dot line top dot line violet, and this one will go we are different. Okay, and then dot flex dot type and ng src is images slash icon snappy process dot svg snappy save it. The snappy process is there. So like this other one will be also there. There are three of them are there, and images like this, and then like three snappy process paragraph is also there, and paragraph is this one. That is this one, and now yeah, so it's just showing like this. So we need to have two more of them are there, and again the same kind of thing is will be there. Div tile and image and tile. Okay, so this will be there for three times, two more times. Okay, let me do it. One, two. Okay, so the second image is I can affordable prices or SVG. You can as affordable. Okay, okay, it is affordable prices instead of snappy process. Affordable prices is there, and then you don't want this there, this thing is there. Okay. people, first SVG, people, mm, people first, and this one. This one will be there. So now I'll get more structure. There are a lot of things. So this is not an easy project. This is a lot of project actually. Now we have to write this for this last section, which is this one, and the footer we have to write. Okay, this two we have to write. Footer also have a lot of things to do. Okay, so section dot container dot g violet and div dot flex, and inside the flex there will be a div, and inside it there will be h2. Find out how we work. Okay, and then after that there will be a button dot button, how we work. Okay. Then it is time to go to the footer. Footer dot container dot flex dot border bottom with images logo dot svg. This is for the footer logo. Okay. And then after that there will be an unordered list inside this only, because we have a lot of things here. Unordered list dot flex li. I can li, how many li's are there? 4 li's are there. Li into 4, then a is there, then image is there. I hope I'm right. Yeah. Yes. Hash. Yes, actually, one is the Facebook image. Okay. So these images also they have given us. Dot images icon Facebook dot svg, and this is Facebook. Similarly, this will be hash and images icon Twitter dot svg, Twitter hash images icon Pinterest, pin yes, Pinterest hash dot images hash icon Instagram.svg and Instagram. Let me save it and let me see. Here it is like this. So Insure and this thing is there. Now we have this. It is working fine. Okay. So now after this, the flex border is done, and now we will have the rest of it, which is a lot actually. So dot flex dot align. The footer is very big here. Okay, the footer is very big. If you can see this footer, so many things are there. Right. But it is not that tough to make because everything is there like this. So how many we have? One, two, three, four. So four columns we have. So we will create it inside four divs for children. So div four divs we are going to make, and h4 our, let me take it from here, our company, and then UL. So it is much better to do it with UL. Okay, align into 4A. So it will be like this. Hash. Let me do all hashes. Hash. Hash. If the same thing will be there in all the other things, so let me name them first. It is HH4 and EL will be similar. So it will be here also. It will be here also. It will be here also. So our company, after our company, it is me, help me, contact, and the last one is others. Okay, the last one is others. Our company, help me, contact, and others have three. Okay, so you need this one, you need this one, and let me do how we work. How we work will go here. Why Insure. So this is a lot of manual work. Why Insure. Use plans. Use. Similarly, FAQ. Terms of use. Privacy policy. then sales, support, live chat, careers, plus licenses. So finally it is done. Oh, that is done finally. Okay. Now it's time to go to the CSS. Finally, I am able to move to CSS. Okay, so first thing first, we will do the Google thing, Google fonts thing. So where is my Google font? So we will take this Carla font, whatever is there, this Carla font. Let me click it. 400 and 700. Let's do Carla, and this is 400 only, 400 regular, and I will just take the regular one, and you should also take the regular one. 400 and 700. Okay. Carla. Okay. Carla. Okay. We've taken it. Styles. Save it. Okay. So as usual, we do box sizing, border box. Okay. Let's give all these things the styles and some root variable because a lot of styles are there. So we'll use CSS variables. So we can also see how the CSS variables are there. So like this, root we have to say, and then dash dash dark violet, dark violet, dark violet is this one. Then okay, let's do one thing. Let me take it from here like this. Page view, and what I'm going to do, G E, and it will be done. Grayish blue. Okay, so these three more are there. Let me copy it. So I copied it. Very dark violet is like this. Dark grays violet is this, and very light gray is this. Am I missing something? Yes, I'm missing something. There should be two. Always in the CSS variable there are two. Okay, so there are two dashes. Okay, so now I will do body color where dash dash violet, not grayish violet, this dark violet. Font family is, let this be there, and it is Google font we always have to take in codes. Yeah, like Carla, there is Carla. Yeah, Carla is here, sorry, and margin is below. Let me see how this is looking. Yeah, looking nice. Lighting is also changed. Okay. is another font family also. Oh, forgot to take this. It's easy. Wait 400, wait 400. The Carla is selected. No, Carla won't be selected. Okay. I have taken some. So when you select both of them, so both of them will be selected. It's okay. Okay, let me do that. Okay, I have added this. And the other one is Carla. Carla 400 and 700. Carla 400 and 700. So it will be saved here. Let me search for Carla. Carla is this 400 and 700. It is my 400, 400 and 700. See, now both of them are copied. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it. So both of them are there. Okay, so now what I can do, h1, h2, h3 are different. h1 comma h2 comma h3, they will be font family this one. What is the name? Even size display. Don't want this plus and all these things. Even size display comma size. Oh, size is also okay. This is the fallback font anyway. Yeah. So yeah, change that. And now let us do the h1 and h2. h1 comma h2. They're all bigger. So h1 h2 they're not like this. h1 h2 are there. They are all big. This is 4em and position is relative. We are going to add absolute in the children. Let us spacing is not normal. If normal value like it appears. Okay. Line height is 1. Margin is 0 and padding top padding top is 50 px. So see, now it is coming now much better. Okay, all of this. Okay. Now h3, I'm going to do for the h3. This is such a big thing. That's why the site will be so cool. h3 font size is 2m. Line height is 1.7 and opacity is 0.8. Save it. This type S3s are also done. These are S3s. No, I have sorry. P are also done. See, opacity will gain a bit of opacity. Now we'll do the styling, basic styling for most of the HTML using the Flexbox. We have taken a classes like Flex a lot. So container is there, container is common, Flex is common. So we will be going to do that, and Flex after this Flex div is common everywhere. Aligning start is also there at a lot of places. We have aligning start where see aligning start is at a lot of places. So we are going to do that now. So the common ones are done now. This one will be done. Container padding is 0, 20 px and margin is 0 and auto, and max width is 100%, and width is 1200 x. Not containers. So see, the container had taken, container is there in everything. So container has taken place. Now flex is also, as I told, flex is also there in almost all the things. Flex, display is flex, and align items is center, and justify content is space between. See, with this, half of the things will be solved. See, this is solved, this is solved, this is solved, this is solved. Everything is solved with just one flex thing. That's what flex box is so powerful. Okay. Now, dot flex of div. So every flex generally have two divs. So if I give him flex one, they will take one. Yeah. So they will have 50-50 or whatever is there. If there are three divs, it will take equal sizes. So that means that. Okay. So there is a align start is also there, which is for align items. Let's start. So this dot align line start, this align items flex start. So last, where is this? So this is the humanizing your insurance, means this one, and the other one is our company, means the whole of the footer is there. So both of them are flex start. So it will come to a start. So it will come to a start. So now it is looking very good. Now we'll style the, first the navbar is not completed. So we have to style the navbar first. So we'll do that. Nav background color is hash FFF, and position is fixed. Navbar positions are always fixed. Okay. Top is 0. It should come in next line. Top is 0. Height is 0. Width is 100. Vertical width, and Z index or Z index is 100, so that it comes on the top. Now see, it is taking shape, and it is fixed also, so it will not go anywhere. It is fixed also. Nav, so this after, so let me come here. Nav have this hamburger icons are also there. Okay, hamburger. Nav dot hamburger, and display is none. We later will do it from the JavaScript. Display is none because we don't want it in normal. Okay. Nav dot hamburger, and the focus should be outline, and not so much differences here, but it will be. Okay, so that is there, and then nav ul. So what is this nav ul? So this ul is inside this nav, this one, this menu one. We are targeting nav ul. Display is flex, align items is center, list style type is none, and padding is 0, and now align margin left 30 px. See it is taking shape now. Nav align a color is bar dash dark grayish dark grayish violet. The dark grayish violet text transform is uppercase. Text decoration, that blue line we don't want it. Text link line. Okay. Text decoration is none. Save it. Yeah, now it is looking. Yeah, now it is looking quite perfect, but not completely. Okay, this one is reverse something. Okay, we'll do it later on. So next, what we are going to do, we are going to style our header. Header means this part, this part, this part. We are going to style that. Not sure. Okay. Header, background color is what? So this is the way we use your CSS variables. Okay, like that dark. So with CSS variable, there is no need to use SCSS anymore. That is very cool. It doesn't add more functionality to CSS. Okay, that is dark violet. Color is hash avatar. Heading is 100 PS0, and position is relative. Margin top is 50 px, and margin bottom is 250 px. So as you might have seen that it is going in the wrong way, so then we have to do it margin top and all those things. So now it is showing perfect, quite perfect. Okay, not completely, but yeah, quite okay. Header star inside index of 1. Save. So one more thing, we have some patterns also here. So if you see this pattern we have. So now we want to make these patterns here. Okay, these patterns we want to make. So let us go here, and again we will make it through the after and the before. So let us do it. Header after content is empty string, which we always have to take when we are using this header after and before. Background image is URL images bg pattern intro type desktop.svg and Background repeat all always as always is no repeat, and background position is as always not as always top right, because this is for the top one, top right, and position is absolute because you have to change it a bit. Top is 0 and right is 0 and height is 100%. Width is 50% and Z index is 2. I don't know what happened with the keyboard. The enter is not moving properly. Okay. See, the pattern is coming out actually. And even in this is on top of it. So don't change it. This is on top of it. Okay. So like this, we have to do for the before also. Okay. So before I will do, and this intro left desktop, I will repeat my repeat, and it is position is bottom left, position is absolute, and this is different. Is height it is also 100%. Z index is 0. So instead of top right, it will be bottom left. Bottom is minus 50%. Left is 0. Save. Come. Change perfect. Change perfect here. Or there should be maybe a bit more. Maybe my screen it is not showing perfectly because a lot of things are there. Okay, we will look into this later on if I wanted to move it up. Anyway, it is not okay. Minus thing only we have to do it, but it's okay. We'll make it later on if it is required. Okay, so after this header before we have a intro image. There is no intro image. Yeah, this intro image. Okay. So this intro image I will come here. Image and max width is 100%. So this is the big family image which we have. Okay, so and margin bottom is minus 250 here. Why we are doing this? Let me not save it. Let me explain it. See, this image is coming down. This. That is one of the, but this is in the center right now. It is not like this. Okay, so it is like this. I have to do this. Now let's see. Now it has come down. Now this have also moved perfectly because it has also come down. So this is also moved perfectly. We will not do it. Okay. Now we'll do the styles for the button. So there are many buttons in the project like this, and this button is that, this button is that, view button. So this we are going to make now. Okay. So the common class is dot btn, and it is background color is transparent. Okay, border is UPS solid hash FF and display is inline block, and color is FF, cursor is pointer, padding is 15 px, 25 px, the padding, letter spacing is 2x, and text transform is uppercase. Okay, now I'll go back. See, this button is looking good, and this button is not even visible. Why it is not visible? Is because there is a button and the background is similar. So we have a button reverse class. So see, with this much only it is looking so cool. So this button, if I go here, you will see that there are two buttons are there. One this one button, but there are many other buttons also are there. So this button reverse is there. So this button reverse we have to do now. Okay. So button reverse I will come, and then button reverse, and then border color is red, dash, dark, dash, violet, and color is dark, dash, again dark violet. Save it. So now it is showing so nice. Okay. Now we will write the code for the styling for the sections and sections next. So this all, so this is done, but this all is not done. So we have to write for this sections. Okay, let's do it. VG violet. So this VG violet, we will ask where is this VG violet is. So VG violet is this find out more about how we work this thing. Okay. So this thing we are doing. VG violet. Background color is red, dark violet, and background image is UI images, VG pattern, how we work desktop, svg, and background repeat is no repeat, and background position is top right, and background size is 50%, 100%, padding is 70 px, and margin is 100 EX auto, save it. So see, we are making this thing, how we work, okay? So how we work, we are making this. So this is all given to us by that. Okay, this is what we are making. Okay. Wait, I think I missed something. Okay, I will check it later on. Easy value. Okay, okay, okay. No, the color maybe. DC violet H2 and color is hash FFF and font size is 3M and styling is 0 and width is 60%. So now we are getting it. Okay, now we are getting it. And now we will give the dot style margin top is 3px. So lot of it is taking the shape. Okay. So now we are going to give for line top humanizing your instance and okay, so this humanizing your insurance is here line top. So again we are going to give pseudo classes before and yeah. See, we have this line and we have this line. So we are going to give this two. Okay, line top is here and line top is there. So we can give it this. Dot line top before and content is empty. Background color is hash color and position is absolute and top is 0, left is 0, height is 1px and width is 150px. Save it. So this is done. And the other one is line violet is there. This one we will name line violet before and background color is far dark violet. Let me save it. And now let me see what is there. So this one is coming. This one is good. Yeah. Now everything is done except this footer. So everything is done except the footer. So we are going to do the footer. Okay. Such a big and still the mobile is not done. And we are done for 1 hour, within 1 hour. Okay, put the background color is good. If you go for 1.5 hour, I think. And wow, very light gray and background image is PG pattern, PG pattern, footer, desktop data is PG, and background repeat is no repeat, and background position is top left. So why we are doing this? Because we have something here also. See, this thing we are doing here. Padding is 60 px 0 30 px. Save it. See this something like it's okay. Don't try to do too much perfect. Footer is H4 and color is black. Dark, dark grayish violet, and text transform is uppercase. So all the H4 the text transform is uppercase. How company help me contact others, everything, okay? It is uppercase. And now footer unordered list. Padding is 0 and list style list style type is not this but none. So those things are gone from icons. Okay. Footer ul dot next. So we are doing it for all the things which are not the first child. Okay, not the first dash child. UL flex. So we are giving this UL flex. Then alive we are doing, and it is not the first child. So not this one, not Facebook. Rest of them, not this one, but the rest of them we are doing because there will be margin or something. Okay, so because of that we are doing. Okay, so first not first child. So this is quite big to do. And margin. So this is quite complicated way to it, but this is how I did it earlier. Margin left 15 px. So so now it's perfect. Okay, it's perfect. Footer, align, margin, bottom is 10 px, footer align page, color, black, dark, violet, and text transform is uppercase as always, and text application is none. Now all of them are looking quite good. So this one well and thing which we were doing. Okay. Now border bottom border bottom 1 ps solid where grayish blue. We're creating this line. Okay, so grayish blue and margin bottom is 30 ps. Say where is it? Where is it? Margin bottom. There is nothing like this. Okay, there is nothing like this. What is the color here? Give me 1 second. This green and grayish. The spelling is wrong. So there are two ways to spell gray, as you all might know. Mustache. I took the wrong. Now it's right. Okay. Grayish blue. Now everything is. Now desktop view is done. Okay. Our desktop view is done. Now it's time for the mobile view. So let's do the mobile view. Let's make it like this. Let me do one thing. When I'm doing mobile view, so why not this? Hey, that's cool. Mobile view is all screwed up. But because we are using Flexbox, so it won't take much. But then also it won't be that much less. Also, okay. So let us do that. This is a very big project actually. I think another thing it will take 2 hours. Add media, screen, and max width is what is 768 px. Body is text align is center. Yeah. Dot flex direction is columns. This is the main way to fix it. I fix everything. So most of the things get fixed in a flex box like this. And footer is background image. Let's change it. URL images bg pattern footer mobile.sp. Background size, background size is 100% auto, and background position is top center. The footer we are doing. So this is then footer unordered rel dot flex, and let me do one thing. footer now. Yeah, see how it is looking. Okay, footer UI dot flex is flex direct flex direction is row, and so it is like this. Footer dot flex div width is 100%, save it, and so now this paste. Okay, now we will put, not everything is okay, so now we are going to put for the next section we are going to put, we are going to put for BG violet, BG violet, so the dark violet. Okay, so this one we are going to put BG violet. Background image, so images are different, they will given us different images, so this is how big projects are done, so this is not that easy. Okay, okay, so slash images BG pattern, how we work mobile.svg, save it, yeah, and dot bg violet h2 margin bottom is 20 px, width is 100%, okay, now it is done. So we were doing this, so this is looking quite perfect. Okay, now let's fix the header actually. So header is also not fixed completely, so we have to fix the header. So as I was telling you, always is there, but there are a lot of things which you need to be fixed. Okay, header padding top is 0 and margin bottom is 50 px. Header, let's remove this thing before comma header after. Actually, we're removing, we're not putting it, it is making it very tough. Display none. So we're putting, removing those things. Okay, and the intro image. Now we have to do the intro image. Dot intro image. Display is inline block. Margin left is minus 20 px. Removing it, and margin bottom is minus 10 px, and max width. So we are centering it, and it's not that much easy to center it. Max width is calc 100% plus 40 px. Not looking good. Okay. Line top before and after is there, enter before. Okay, so this line top before left is 50% and transform translate x is minus 50%. So it is down. Okay. And we have a class known as reverse mobile. So this is not here. But if I come here, there is a reverse mobile class is there. Okay. So we have put it for a reason here. Okay, this is a reverse mobile humanizing it. Okay. Okay. So you can see the image is top and humanizing is below. And it is not being even shown. Humanizing is top here. So we have to reverse it. And so we will be using a very cool thing here. Not reverse mobile and flex direction we are going to give. Flex direction is column reverse we are going to give C. Now this is coming on the top and this is coming on the bottom and it fixed a lot of things. It fixed a lot of things. Now we have to add the code for the hamburger menu using the navigation for a mobile screen. So that is something which is remaining. Okay, that we have to do and then a bit of JavaScript and a bit of JavaScript. Okay, so one sec. Okay, so let's get started. It will again be here only. This is the mobile thing. Okay, now actually we have that hamburger menu. We have to show it padding. As you might have seen that we have hidden it even on my view. Nav dot hamburger, which is actually already there, but we have done a display none in the desktop view file if you remember. Background color is transparent, border is 0, cursor is pointer, and display is flex. So now the hamburger menu is being shown. Hamburger menu has two parts. One is the close part and one is the show part. Okay. So we will do for those nav dot hamburger dot close and display is none. So it is gone. Nav dot hamburger dot show dot open and again the display is none. So this is something which we are going to control from the JavaScript. Okay. Close display is block nav dot flex direction row. So now it is showing it in a row. and then nav dot ing wrapper. So wrapper is the ing wrapper. So this is there in the navbar ing wrapper. This one image logo and all these things. The ing wrapper is there. Ing wrapper text align is left. Yeah, I want it left only, and the all the thing on the so the UL, the complete UL, we are going to do the display as none. Everything is gone. Now it is looking perfect. Now, so it has also got a very less amount of less amount of JavaScript. Okay, so background color is var very dark violet. This display is flex, and flex direction is column, and position is fixed, and padding top is 30 px. Margin is 0, and top is 70 px. Left is 0. So this all things actually this is going to be done from JavaScript. This dot show class and all this thing. So because it is going to change it to cross. Okay, so those things are there. Width width is 100, vertical width, and height is calc 100 vertical height minus 70 index. Z index is 100. Okay. Nav UL align and margin 20 ps 0, and nav UL3 color is so wait for a sec. This will be done through from the JavaScript. Okay, and so you're gonna see anything here. VPN reverse is border color hash FFF, and color is hash FFF, like this. So now the hamburger menu is not working right now. Why? Because we don't have something. The code is not there in the main. Okay, so so very little code will be there. Const hamburger equal to document dot get element by id hamburger is there. Const menu equal to document dot get element by id menu. I am taking so this hamburger. So this hamburger, this get element by id hamburger, and this menu also we are taking. Okay, this menu is also Yeah, get element by ID menu. Menu is also ID. Okay, these two we are taking, and then hamburger dot add event listener. So add event listener click will be there, and then hamburger dot class list dot toggle this thing and show class, which we were using so much. Show class, this show class, this show class which we are see this show class we're using at a lot of places. This show class, okay, not show class, and menu dot class list dot toggle. Again, here also the show class is been toggle. Let me save it. And if I click it, see, it is next one. You can click it, this one. So this is the cool experience which we have in this. So good. And this is now the full one. So this is one of the most beautiful sites which I have created with CSS, and you can use it for any client. Okay. So if you like my streaming and all, so please do subscribe to my channel. And I am a full-time JavaScript trainer now. I have certain courses with the links for which will be below. So if you want to learn JavaScript, mainly the React part, mainly React, I have done bootcamp for React and all. You can do from it. You can go to the link and go to it. And I am taking 100 days of code challenge and 100 video challenge because of my students. A lot of my students in my training, I help them to do the 100 days of code challenge. That is one of the main part of my curriculum, 100 days of code. And the teacher have to do, but the student does. So my students are also doing 100 days of code. So I also want to support them and do the 100 days of code. Or else for the past 8 years, I'm daily coding. So I don't know how many times I've done 100 days of code. But 100 days of code is not a difficult challenge for me. The difficult challenge is 100 days, 100 videos. Yeah, it's a lot of videos. Daily have to have some content so that I can produce videos. So this all require a lot of effort. This all require a lot of means I generally write blog first and then the video. So this all require a lot of effort. So please do subscribe to my channel to support me. And if you know someone who want to learn React and change his career to full stack to a React based developer, which is the most better thing in this world right now for the next 5 to 10 years, do please type me and do please click the link. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow and again in another stream. Thank you.